Here we get onto the business side of the installation, which your customers don't always see, but which you need to do. You have a water supply coming to your machine. On the end of the pipe you have a Borlow stop type valve which can close or open, closed and open, so that it can shut the water if you require. This is a pressure regulating valve which will make sure that the water pressure reaching your machine is not more than 4 bars. Through a flexible pipe, an inline filter, and the pipe then goes to your machine. We have here a flexible plastic pipe that's serving as a drain for the waste collection tub in the machine. This will discharge either into a container or into the building's draining system.